get ready with me while I take some selfies and test out some new products and technique. So I'm using the Mirabella eye definer in smoke and I'm coloring right in between all of the lashes. This is a really old school trick. And then I'm using the brown Twig eye definer on the bottom. Love that. And then I was the most excited for this. This is the Frost eye definer and I decided to try it on the inner corners. Now, I usually use eyeshadow to do this. This is my first time using an eyeliner. And honestly, I was blown away. I was obsessed. I felt like it lifted me to the heavens. It was just so lovely. And yeah, I felt like it completed my makeup. As you can see, I was feeling myself, but I did not stop there. I then decided to try this Frosty Delight on my lips and it looked incredible. I loved the kind of 90s frosty vibe. So she was definitely the hero of the day, and I will definitely do this technique again.